Happy morning, children. Already we have learned basic components of computer. Today we are going to learn about Microsoft Excel. Children, shall we move to the lesson? We are going to learn something new today, okay? Are you eager to know what it is? Yes, Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application program. It is used to make calculations with accuracy and speed. It can also be used to create charts and graphs. So Microsoft Excel means row by column. So we can make calculations using Excel. So first purpose we can using calculation because it will produce accurate result and speed. Next, we will see applications of MS Excel. Okay, what is meant by application? Some other applications created using MS Excel. Okay, children. First, payments of bills because we can pay the bills in every department. Okay, so EB bills, some other bills we can pay no. So that is used to make a bills using MS Excel. That is the first application. Okay, and then second, income tax calculations. So everyone pay tax no. So that calculation can be used to Excel. So every department, every persons pay the calculations, tax. Okay, so the tax calculation using Excel, we can make a and enter the data to the Excel and automatically calculations make. Okay, so on third application, account statements. So we can make a account statement using MS Excel. So ledger, and then purchase department, sales department, production department, some other departments available in statement no. So the accounts also to be entered the MS Excel column. Okay, that purpose also using MS Excel. And then fourth one, result analysis of students. Okay, student, you finally produce result till end of the academic year. We can produce result, then we will move to the next standard. Okay, that time make the calculation, how many marks you get, how many percentage you get, which one should be get first percentage. So this analysis of using to MS Excel. So each standard first 3% select no. So that calculation using MS Excel. So these four applications will be allowed in MS Excel. So payments of bills, income tax calculation, account statement and result analysis of students. Okay, next we will see about Excel also allows to create what are these. Okay, one by one I will explain. First one, charts. Okay, we can make charts means first you make table compulsory and then select the table and then apply to the charts. Okay, different types of charts available. We can select one type of chart. Example, bar chart, pie chart, columns are okay. So this is a one variety of charts. We can make one type of charts. Okay, so what is the use of chart means? So I easily identify that calculations. Okay, so example, populations. One area we can calculate population means first enter the people's value and then easily calculate the population. Okay, that purpose using charts. Okay, second concept, clipboard. And clipboard is a picture gallery. Okay, default available in the system. We can select one type of picture and apply to the values. Okay, and then third one, smart art. These also shapes are one type of shapes. We can apply to the shapes and then subdivisions we can make, calculate some other divisions make we can use means using smart art. Okay, so and then fourth one, shapes. So these also default shapes available in the system. Different types of shapes available, children. Okay, so we can make table and then what type of shapes you want to select and then apply to the table. Okay, and then fourth one, worksheets and workbooks. Okay, what do you mean by worksheets? We can open the Excel means that page will be workbook. These workbook have a default 3 worksheets available. Okay, these worksheets only you can make the calculating tables. Okay, we can open the sheet 1 and then make some other calculation and then save. After we will do the sheet 2, 3. So if you need to how many sheets you can add. Okay, well this is a worksheet and workbooks. Okay, and then next, graphs. What do you mean by graphs? We can make some other calculation. We example employee calculations calculate means we can fill the table to the employee details and apply to the graph. Okay, so we can easily identify the employee salary, basic way, some other fields you can identify easily. And then next, word art. Word art is a different types of text shapes. Okay, so we can make table and then apply to the different types of shapes in the table. Okay, and then next one, formulas and much more. That is, formula is very important. We can make calculations every table. No, you enter the formula to the formula bar and then calculation will be automatically applied to this table. Okay, calculation will be produced correct absolute values to this formulas.